Google has recently announced that the Pixel 6 series will power by the Tensor, Google's first custom-built SoC specifically for Pixel phones. One of the latest leaks showcases the new design of the Google Pixel 6 series, and it will likely come with an under-display selfie camera. Google Pixel 6 is not expected to be huge but will come with a 6.4 inches Full HD and AMOLED punch-hole display, whereas the Pro variant comes with a curved 6.67-inch AMOLED punch-hole panel. Google Pixel 6 series will be one of the first smartphones to ship with the latest stock Google OS Android 12. Apart from using computational photography leveraging machine learning and AI processing to click excellent images, Google will be using dual cameras in the Pixel 6 and triple camera setup in the Pro version, and a single front camera will be hidden under the display. It comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and has 128 GB of internal storage. Additionally, Pixel 6 will be IP68 rating and is dust and waterproof. The phones will come with an approximate 4000 mAh battery with both fast wired as well as wireless charging support. Google Pixel 6 series will launch in the second half of 2021, and there is a lot of time for us to get more details. Lastly, this series will go to be the most expensive series.